Intel was once synonymous with computing power. Their processors were the gold standard. From PCs to servers, Intel's chips were the brains behind the digital revolution. The company's iconic Intel Inside logo was a mark of quality and performance. For decades, Intel seemed untouchable. Their dominance in silicon technology was unparalleled. They were the undisputed king of the chip industry. But the tech world is ever-changing. New challengers emerged, hungry for a piece of Intel's empire. Companies like TSMC, AMD, and NVIDIA began to chip away at Intel's lead. TSMC, with its advanced manufacturing capabilities, became the go-to foundry for many chip designers. AMD, with its Ryzen processors, started to challenge Intel's performance crown in the PC market. NVIDIA, with its graphics processing units, dominated the gaming and AI sectors. Intel's once unassailable position was starting to crumble. The company that had defined an era in computing was facing an uncertain future. Could they adapt to this new landscape and reclaim their throne? The answer, as with many things in tech, is complex. Intel's recent struggles have been well documented. The company has faced manufacturing delays, ceding ground to competitors like TSMC. They have also lost ground in key markets like mobile devices, where ARM-based chips have become dominant. The rise of AI has also presented a challenge, with specialized AI accelerators from companies like NVIDIA and Google outperforming traditional CPUs in AI workloads. These setbacks led to a decline in Intel's market share and financial performance. Investors began to question the company's direction, leading to a drop in stock price. The once mighty Intel seems to have lost its way. However, the arrival of new CEO Pat Gelsinger in 2021 signaled a potential turning point. Gelsinger, a seasoned tech veteran and former Intel CTO, came in with a bold vision to make Intel the world's leading chipmaker once again. His strategy, dubbed IDM 2.0, is a multi-pronged approach to revitalize the company. One of the key pillars of IDM 2.0 is to rebuild Intel's manufacturing prowess. Gelsinger has pledged billions of dollars to build new factories or fabs in the United States and Europe. This expansion aims to reduce Intel's reliance on third-party foundries like TSMC and regain control over its supply chain. Another crucial aspect of IDM 2.0 is to regain process leadership. Intel has fallen behind TSMC in terms of manufacturing technology, which translates to less powerful and efficient chips. Gelsinger has set an ambitious goal of regaining process leadership by 2026, meaning Intel aims to have the most advanced chip manufacturing technology in the world. This would be a significant achievement if they can pull it off. Finally, IDM 2.0 also emphasizes a renewed focus on innovation. Intel is investing heavily in research and development, particularly in areas like artificial intelligence, edge computing, and the metaverse. The company is also forging new partnerships to expand its reach and capabilities. For example, Intel has partnered with Qualcomm to manufacture chips using its advanced process technology. The road ahead for Intel is fraught with challenges. The chip industry is fiercely competitive, with rivals like TSMC and AMD also investing heavily in new technologies and manufacturing capacity. Intel's ambitious plans will require sustained investment and execution. Whether they can regain process leadership by 2026 remains to be seen. The company also faces geopolitical headwinds, with the ongoing chip shortage and tensions between the United States and China adding uncertainty to the global semiconductor landscape. Despite these challenges, there are reasons for cautious optimism. Gelsinger's leadership has injected a renewed sense of purpose and urgency within Intel. The company's investments in manufacturing and R&D, coupled with its strategic partnerships, position it well for the future. The US CHIPS Act, which provides billions of dollars in funding for domestic chip manufacturing, is another tailwind for Intel. This act aims to bolster the US semiconductor industry and reduce reliance on foreign chip makers. Only time will tell if Intel can fully reclaim its former glory. The company faces a long and arduous journey. However, with a clear strategy, renewed focus and significant investments, Intel has a fighting chance to regain its position as a leader in the ever-evolving world of technology. The king may have stumbled, but it's far too early to count them out.